Hello guys, review OPPO Reno13, this 5G version, 12GB memory and 256GB storage. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have device. Okay. On this we have only key for SIM slot, and this only adapter for charging. USB, USB-A to USB-C. Okay. Now talk about device. We have blue color, luminous blue color, triple camera on the back side, metal body, full metal body and glass on the back side, power button and warm buttons on the right side. On the left without controls, upside speaker and microphone, downside slot for 2 nano SIM card, microphone, Type-C port and speaker, main speaker. Turn on device. We have HD plus display, AMOLED 120 Hz, 6.6 inch. About phone, we have Reno13 Color OS 15.0, MediaTek Dimensity 8350, battery 5600 mAh battery, RAM memory. Okay, close this and open Geekbench 6. Single core score and multi-core score results, GPU test results. GPU we have Mali G615 MC6. Okay, look and do the benchmark. Very powerful results in Antutu benchmark. Close this. And run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Let's see. Okay, game load. We have high graphic level, but it's not max level. Game work very smooth, very good. Okay. Close this. PUBG Mobile. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.